Last fall, nearly 100,000 Santa Clara County voters signed a petition to put the recall of Judge Persky on the June 5 ballot. We ask you to vote yes. Persky shocked our community when he sentenced Stanford swimmer Brock Turner to only 6 months in jail for sexually assaulting an unconscious woman behind a dumpster. A jury unanimously convicted Turner of 3 felonies, including assault with intent to rape and sexual penetration of an unconscious and intoxicated person. Turner faced 14 years in prison. He served 90 days. After the Turner decision, Santa Clara County District Attorney Jeff Rosen removed Persky from another sexual assault case, saying he lacked confidence that Persky could fairly participate in a case involving an unconscious victim. Jurors refused to serve in Persky's courtroom. One juror from the Brock Turner case wrote Persky an open letter by saying Turner's sentence made a mockery of the whole trial and the ability of the justice system to protect victims of assault and rape. As Rep. Ro Khanna said when Turner was sentenced in 2016, it sends the wrong message that if you are from a privileged background, if you are a star athlete, and if you commit your crime on a college campus, then the law does not apply to you. For women, Brock Turner's sentence isn't just shocking, it's dangerous. It reinforces the myth that sexual assault isn't serious. Why would a victim go through the long process of medical examinations and invasive questions if the result is a slap on the wrist? Based on our experience working with victims, we believe this light sentence will deter others from coming forward. Sadly, the Turner sentence was not an isolated incident. Persky, a former Stanford athlete, has a pattern of bias favoring athletes and other privileged perpetrators of violence against women. Persky adjusted the sentences of 2 different college football players convicted of domestic violence, allowing them to accommodate their football schedules. In another case, he allowed a software engineer convicted of severely beating his fiancée to serve weekend jail. Persky sentenced a Sunnyvale man convicted of felony child pornography to only 4 days in jail. This sentence was set by Persky, not the DA. The man, Robert Shane, had dozens of images of little girls, including an infant, being sexually abused. Persky also said he would be receptive to reducing Shane's felony conviction to a misdemeanor after only 1 year of probation, contrary to the probation recommendation. Even some of Persky's supporters have criticized his judgment. Berkeley Law Dean Erwin Chemerinsky called the Turner sentence grossly inadequate punishment and an abuse of discretion. Former Santa Clara County Judge Ron Del Pozo called Turner's 6-month sentence inconsistent with the jury's verdict, and said they expected a 4 to 6 year prison sentence based on other similar cases in our county. That's why over 50 elected officials from Santa Clara County, including Rep. Khanna, state sends. Jam Beal and Jerry Hill, San Jose Vice Mayor Magdalena Carrasco, hundreds of business, union, women's rights, and community leaders, South Bay Labor Council, AFL-CIO, California Nurses Association, and National Organization for Women have endorsed this recall. This recall will not affect judicial independence. Under the California Constitution, all county judges are elected to 6-year terms and are accountable to the people they serve. Persky would next be up for re-election in 2022. The recall simply moved up the date of that election to 2018. Santa Clara County voters deserve a judge who takes violence against women seriously. Persky doesn't. He has clearly lost the community's trust, and with good reason. Please vote yes on June 5. Dear Sophia Yen, an adolescent medicine specialist and the CEO and co-founder of PandiaHealth.com, Rebecca Armandaris is a political community organizer for SEIU USWW. Jenny Richardson is a board member of Women's March Bay Area. They are co-chairs of the committee to recall Judge Persky.